doing the kind of lines and jumps that Axell Hodges does. No crash for him, or almost no crash for him, is ever going to be, how are you going to say, small. Obviously, uh, broke his femur filming his last video, had to come back and redo that. And then this from today, obviously this is, I think, on his land, sleigh ground, or whatever you want to call it. Uh, Obviously, new set of jumps, new line, pretty cool. And I'm gonna quote this. This is a comment from Travis Pastrana. Was pretty was really cool until it wasn't, and obviously we'll get to the point where it wasn't soon. But I mean, these are all huge jumps, and you can see if this is something he's doing for the first time, you never really quite know. And right here, you can see, oh no, that's a painful one. But he did say, quote, breaking in new jumps gone wrong. Don't turn left. I'm so lucky to walk away from this one with just a hurt hand. This line is so gnarly and fun. I hope my hand isn't broken and I can get the whole line soon. I mean, that's one of those things. If you're testing out jumps and you have to figure out where you're going, how big you're going, how fast you have to be, it's going to be a trial and error thing. And sometimes, well, you know, bad things happen. So, knock on wood, it isn't broken. Like, you can keep making cool videos. But I don't know. You guys tell me, did you watch his last video? Do you watch his, do you follow his Instagram or anything like that? Or are you more of a racing fan and not a FMX fan? But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.